Go slowly. Go slowly.
Vas-y doucement.
Calm down, please. Calm down, please.
Calme-toi, s'il te plaît.
My car is broken. My car is broken.
Ma voiture est en panne.
Do you know how to swim? Do you know how to swim?
Est-ce que tu sais nager?
I have gotten my visa. I have gotten my visa.
J'ai obtenu mon visa.
Please, can you come here? Please, can you come here?
S'il te plaît, peux-tu venir ici?
Can I pay now? Can I pay now?
Puis-je payer maintenant?
Can I pay in euros? Can I pay in euros?
Puis-je payer en euros?
I want to sit down outside. I want to sit down outside.
Je veux m'asseoir dehors.
I bought a shirt yesterday. I bought a shirt yesterday.
J'ai acheté une chemise hier.
Can we go for dinner tonight? Can we go for dinner tonight?
Pouvons-nous aller dîner ce soir?
Are you still a student? Are you still a student?
Êtes-vous toujours étudiant?
Do you also live in the city here? Do you also live in the city here?
Est-ce que tu vis aussi dans la ville ici?
I'm attending University of Paris. I'm attending University of Paris.
Je fréquente l'université de Paris.
What do you want to do tonight? What do you want to do tonight?
Qu'est-ce que tu veux faire ce soir?
I'd like to go see a movie. I'd like to go see a movie.
J'aimerais aller voir un film.
I can read English very well. I can read English very well.
Je peux très bien lire l'anglais.
Thank you for inviting me. Thank you for inviting me.
Merci de m'avoir invité.
I'd like to come. I'd like to come.
Je voudrais venir.
Hello, can you hear me? Hello, Can you hear me?
Salut, est-ce que tu m'entends?
It is really amazing. It is really amazing.
C'est vraiment incroyable.
Please, I can't hear you. Please, I can't hear you.
S'il vous plaît, je ne vous entends pas.
I will call you right back. I will call you right back.
Je vais te rappeler tout de suite.
I don't have really good reception. I don't have really good reception.
Je n'ai pas une très bonne réception.
I will meet you at the restaurant. I will meet you at the restaurant.
Je vais te rencontrer au restaurant.
I'm dressing up. I'm dressing up.
Je m'habille.
Let's play cards game. Let's play cards game.
Jouons au jeu de cartes.
Can I talk to you for a minute? Can I talk to you for a minute?
Puis-je vous parler en une minute?
That sounds like fun for me. That sounds like fun for me.
Cela me semble amusant.
I think that is okay. I think that is okay.
Je pense que ça va.
What did you discuss at the last meeting? What did you discuss at the last meeting?
De quoi avez-vous discuté à la dernière réunion?
May I talk to you for a while? May I talk to you for a while?
Puis-je vous parler pour un instant?
Let's have a sit over there. Let's have a sit over there.
Allons nous asseoir vers l'autre côté.
Let's me order something for you. Let's me order something for you.
Laissez-moi vous commander quelque chose.
Did you get my message? Did you get my message?
Avez-vous reçu mon message?
I want to buy a present for my friend. I want to buy a present for my friend.
Je veux acheter un cadeau pour mon ami.
My computer got a problem. My computer got a problem.
Mon ordinateur a eu un problème.
I'm driving. I will call you back. I'm driving. I will call you back.
Je suis au volant. Je vais vous rappeler.